what happens if the bone is lengthened too slowly? If we slowly lengthen the bone, so what will happen? So normally we increase the length by 1 millimeter per day, but different person respond differently for the bone lengthening. Some people's bones heals quickly and the regenerate bone may harden before treatment is completed. This is called premature consolidation. So how to treat this premature consolidation? Normally when we see there is a healing of fast consolidation, so we increase the rate of lengthening. Instead of 1 millimeter per day, we can increase it to 2 millimeter per day also, so that we can achieve our desired length. In case the consolidation is complete, so in that case, what we do, we cut the bone again. That is called, we do the osteotomy again and then lengthen the bone. Thank you.